Hey guys, welcome back to TRD Cards, and what do I have right here? We've got Chronicles, the 15 card fat packs. But you know what? That's not what we're going to actually open today. Check this out right here. 2020 Chronicles football as a hanger pack. So I've got two hanger packs here, 30 NFL cards. Look for 12 different brands, including 4 hanger box exclusive classic rookies. Anyway, 2020. It is now August 2021. And here I am finding 2020 Chronicles. So, hopefully we get something good in here. And we're going to check these out and see what's inside. So, when you open these, if you get one of these hanger packs, this is what it comes. This is what it looks like. Box is empty just like that. And boom, here's our first pack. And here's our second pack. Now let's see from the side. Anything good from the side? We got anything awesome? Not really sure, but we're going to see. Here we go. Let's open this up. See if we got any cool cards in here. TJ Hawkinson. So it looks like some of the base type Chronicles. Okay, Chris Godwin. Travis Kelce. Lamar Jackson. Already kind of showing something we got in there. Randy Moss. Nick Chubb, Ben Roethlisberger, Devonta Adams, Ray Tannehill, Josh Jacobs, CeeDee Lamb, and here we have James Robinson, rookie card. This is classics for the Jaguars. Okay. Then we got Antonio Gibson, rookie card. And who we got? Jake Luton, rookie card. Alright, Jacob Eason, classics. And then who do we get? Here we got a rookie legacy rookie, Jalen Hurts, Philadelphia Eagles. It's a nice shiny rookie card. Okay, and then let's see. Was this numbered? This wasn't numbered, was it? No. Okay, and then Zach Moss. It's kind of got a little texture to it. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool rookie card right there. Okay, rookie card, who we got? LaMichael Perrine, T. Higgins, okay, Gabriel Davis, Denzel Mims, Jalen Reagor, Jeremy Chin. Okay, who do we have here? We got Justin Herbert. It's a cool design. CeeDee Lamb, Joe Burrow Luminance, nice. Joe Burrow Luminance, Clyde Edward Heller, Justin Jefferson, rated rookie, the see-through, maybe is it see-through? Yeah. Darrayton Evans, Titans. It's pretty cool. It looks like on the back. And we got Jerry Jeudy rookies. This is 20 SSD Momentum. Okay, another see-through card. Alright, very cool. Alright, let's check out this other pack here. So quite a bit different than the 2021 Chronicles. Okay, Miles Sanders, Barry Sanders, Tom Brady in the Bucs uniform. Tyreek Hill, Julia Jones, Adam Thielen, Baker Mayfield, Chase Claypool, Brett Favre, Rob Gronkowski in the Bucs uniform even. Okay, Troy. Then classics, Darnell Mooney, Justin Herbert, T. Higgins, Chase Young. Then we got a Jalen Hurts rookie in the, what is this? Dynagon. Okay. That's a pretty cool card. D19. Okay. Jordan Love. These textured cards. CeeDee Lamb. Justin Jefferson, James Robinson, DeAndre Swift, Luminance, Malik Harrison, Jarius Sneed, these are cool, Darnell Mooney, James Robinson, Luminance. Okay, James Morgan. Alright, cool. Gabriel Davis. We got another James Robinson. And then who do we have? We got Clear Vision. Clear Vision, Jalen Hurts. Another one. So the back looks like CV22. Okay, and then we've got a Jacob Eason, Colts, rated rookie. RRJE. So, pretty cool. Rated rookie in the clear. Very nice. Alright, got some pretty cool cards out of this couple batch here. But otherwise, stay tuned because we're going to be opening these fat packs, so check back on the channel for those videos. Otherwise, leave that thumbs up button, subscribe down below, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next episode.